Hi students, have you ever played the game of passing the parcel? Well, a piece of music plays in the background and while the music is on, the players keep on passing the object from one player to another. When the music stops randomly, the player who has the object in his or her hand at that moment is declared out. Something similar happens when sound travels from one place to another. Right here, we have this guitarist playing some beautiful music for her audience. However, the audience is seated at quite some distance from the guitarist and her musical instrument. However, the audience can still hear and enjoy the wonderful musical performance. How is this possible? Well, let's find out. As soon as the guitar player strikes a particular string, it vibrates. The string then transfers the energy received from the guitar player to the molecules of air in contact with the string. As a result, the molecules of air around the guitar are now set in vibration. The molecules move forward and backwards and in doing so, lose some amount of the energy they received from the string. Further, they pass this remaining energy to the molecules ahead of them. Thus, at every pass, energy lesser than the previous pass is transferred to the adjacent molecules as compared to the previous pass. Finally, due to the continuous passing, the sound energy reaches the ears of the audience and they can hear the guitar. It is important to note that in this passing of energy, no molecule of air leaves its place. It only vibrates back and forth. So we can say that propagation of sound does not involve any displacement or migration of particles of air. There is no migration but only the vibration of particles. As a result, the sound is propagated but the particles and the whole medium remain as it is. Now that you have seen how sound travels from one place to another with the help of particles like a medium of air, do you think that sound could travel in a space where there are no particles at all? Do ponder over this question. That's all for this video. See you next time.